Okay, your child is bringing home a 6 multiplication fact, 2-page stapled for homework tonight. They may have started working on it during class time after their quadrilateral test for me today. So I just want to go over what it should look like on their 6s. So I'm going to do 6 times 3. So this is number 3 on their homework sheet. So it's going to ask them to answer that. And to do their answers, they're going to be asked to do 4 of the strategies that we've been learning multiplication. The first one is your equal groups. The second one is repeated addition. The third one is a strip diagram. And the fourth one is an array. Okay, so on your equal groups, if it's 6 is your first factor, groups always come first. So that will be 6 groups of 3. So they draw 6 groups. And they're going to put 3 in every group. To get the answer, they can count all of those dots that they use, and that will tell them what 6 times 3 is. For repeated addition, again, groups come first, so we need 6 groups. I draw 6 blanks. Those are my groups. Plus signs, because we're adding, go in between every blank, and they will put a 3 in each group. And then to get their answer, they add all those 3's together. A strip diagram, very similar to equal groups, except we're going to do squares. So again, we need 6 groups. There's my 6 groups, or my 6 squares. They're going to put 3 in every group. Instead of drawing dots like on an equal group picture, they just put the digit 3. To get the answer, they would just put all of those 3's together, and that will tell them their total. An array is rows and columns. Rows come first. So 6 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 columns. And that's an array. 6 times 3, 6 rows and 3 columns. To get their answer, they will just count all of the dots. You should get the same answer no matter which strategy you pick, whether you're counting dots in your equal groups, adding your 3's, or counting the circles in an array. They should all give you the same answer, and that answer is what the answer of 6 times 3, or the product of 6 times 3 would be. What we've got to remember is that groups come first. And your groups is always this first factor. 6 groups are 6 rows. Okay, if you have any questions about homework, feel free to send me a message.